Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the igniter plug assembly in a Thermador range. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver and a 13/16 socket wrench. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ignition plug assembly. The ignition plug assembly mounts through the cooktop next to the burner and ignites the gas by producing a spark. The main reason to replace the ignition plug assembly is if it's cracked, causing the spark to escape through the crack before reaching the top and igniting the gas. We need to remove both grates. Just lift them off and put them somewhere out of the way. Next, we're going to remove the burner caps. Simply lift them off. Now we need to remove these 4 nuts that holds the bases. I'm going to use a 13/16 wrench, socket wrench, and I'm going to turn it counterclockwise. We got lucky because a lot of times these nuts won't go out that easily. So we normally would use the blowtorch, or in some cases we even need to file down the top completely so we can remove the burner. And now we're going to remove all 4 burner bases by just lifting them up. We're going to place a towel on the rear panel to protect it from scratching. I'm going to pull forward the cooktop to unlock it, and then we're going to lift it slowly. Make sure that those wires are long enough, and we're going to place it on that towel so we can work on the side. All right, so we're going to pull this wire off the terminal. Then I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver, and I'm going to take off this mounting clip. And now we can push the plug through. This is the old ignition plug assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The new ignition plug assembly goes in. We're going to slide it into this cutout. And then we're going to lock it from inside with the mounting clip. And now the wire goes on. And now we can lower the cooktop. Put it down and slide it back. We can remove the towel now. Next, we're going to reinstall the 4 burner bases. As you can see, the 2 pins are not symmetrical, so one is closer to the edge and it goes towards the igniter. We're going to place the rest of the bases the same way. And now we're going to install a Venturi nut. And now we're going to tighten them with the 13/16 socket wrench. And now we're going to place the burners back on, the 2 larger one and 2 smaller one. So this little piece goes into the notch and it locks in. Now we're going to replace the grates. And now when we're done, you can plug the wrench back in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.